Hello there, wonderful viewers. Today I will show you how to add big follow button on Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram app on your device. You can only see that big follow button only if your account is a professional mode. My account is already set to professional account, but you want to change yours. Then tap on your profile. Now go to 3 lines at the top. Go to the setting and scroll a little bit down, and somewhere you will find option of account type. So if you're not able to find just like me, then just go to in the search bar and here type professional. I am already using professional account, so it is showing me to add a new professional account. But you have to just go and select professional account. Then click on continue, and you have to complete this by following all the steps and directions given by Instagram. Once you are on professional account, you will see this kind of dashboard. Then you will able to get a big follow button if somebody search over you on Instagram. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.